Raise the roof. Yeah, I don't think I could do a flip.
Sure you can. Come on, I'm 9 years older than you and I did it.
I know, but...
Like RJ said, back by the tab. And then take one bounce, hit the edge of the circle, and flip.
One bounce and bounce into there?
Yep. And flip. There you go. You got it.
You learn to get over the fear.
Thanks. Okay, let me try. Because I never even did a flip like when I was in the
There you go.
Now I'm dizzy.
That's why I stopped. See, now it says record.
I'm just kidding. I was just doing some flips on the trampoline. Is that okay? Oh, you got me worried. Okay. I'm going to have to...
Hey Rose, now we've got Advil inside, right?
No,
Ibuprofen?
I don't remember.
I hope my pants don't fall down.
That would be a show.
That'd be a loose worries. I'm worried that my uterus might come out. And here we'll get all that.
Thank you. My discharge instructions.
Like I said, don't lift anything with me.
Spin really
I
fast.
thought that was.
Whoa,
Fast is different when you get older.
Dad, go like this.
I'm trying.
Oh, almost. You're gonna...
Here. Hold on to that.
Okay.
They caught me inside.
There. I just thought your hips were giving out.
Remember when we thought he broke his leg?
Oh!
Telephone.
Do you remember when we thought he broke his leg and his knee sticking out of his jeans? And we're like, oh my God!
No, that's how the leg goes.
And he was like,
That's my knee. Oh,
Almost.
I hope you get in the shower tonight.
Who?
It's going to be really right. Almost.
I'm getting dizzy. I'll take a break.
Yeah.
No.
Dave, with your hair long, it feels like I'm getting to know
That-
the younger side of you.